Go get them. Go get those birds. Where were they? Where are they? Go get them. She thinks she's going to catch the birds. Gonna catch the birds? Go get them. Go get them. Prissy Pants. There they are. Hurry, go get them. Okay, we're not going to sit here and look at a picture of your rear end. Go get the birds. Go get the birds. And here's, oh, there's a close-up. That's Willow. That's Willow. She says, I'm on bird watch. I can't be bothered right now. This is very important business I got to do. It's very important. Go get him. She's looking up in the trees. Apparently she thinks she can fly. Where are they? Go get them. See, no, I'm tired of that now. All my toys are wet. I'm gonna press over here with my wet toy.